hello from Bahrain. Salam alaikum. That's hello from Bahrain. Bahrain is the third smallest country in Asia after the Maldives and Singapore. Bahrain means two seas in Arabic because fresh and salty water meet in the same place. Isn't that amazing? And in the middle of the dry desert stands a mysterious tree of life that's over 400 years old with no river or water nearby. Bahrain was the first Gulf state to discover oil before Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, or the UAE. But now, it's also known for banking. Bahraini women have the right to vote and run for office, and the country has appointed female judges and ambassadors. I am Janela May S. David, proudly representing the island of two seas, Bahrain.